Hey fam, here's a quick tutorial on how to jump rope if you are a total beginner. Let's start off by sizing your rope. You can start off by stepping onto your rope and level them up. Place them close to your underarm. It should be around your underarm or chest area. You don't want to go above it. Okay, so now you've got the right length. Let's move on to the right way of holding your rope. Grip the handle of your rope securely without bending your wrist. Notice that my fingers are facing out and my hands are at my hips level. You don't want to place it too high or too low. Now you only need a little effort to jump rope, so try to keep your shoulders and elbows still and rotate your wrists as you jump. One last important point that you should know is you got to keep your knees slightly bent. Jump on the balls of your feet and up on your toes at all times. You don't want to jump flat-footed. Also, notice that I'm not jumping up too high. You want to make sure that you are jumping at most about 2 inches off the ground. Now you've got the drill, let's get to it.